Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, June the 24th, 2020. We have here three regular Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 5 extra Sudokus. But first, I want to solve the regular Sudokus. And the first one is a binary Sudoku. But what kind of binary Sudoku is this? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row and in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. So let's get started. I see here between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then we have here double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Yes. Then how about between 2 O's comes in 1, double O here and 1, there 1. Yeah, alright, double 1 here and O, there and O, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Let me see, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Well. 2, 3. No. Yeah, between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then I'm stuck, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the O, the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Then we have here 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Then 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row. So this should be an O. Double O here and 1, there 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 5 O's here, so the rest are 1's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 4 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. This is number 5. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So this is number 5. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. And between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Wow, wow, wow. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.